Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Just having a look at the ASX 200 quickly. I think the chart looks absolutely stunning, and you'd look at this, you'd think 5,800 could certainly be a realistic short-term target price. I think the ASX 200, for the first time in a long time, I think it looks very, very, very good. And as you can see, especially on some of these trends we put out recently, BHP looks great, and we got that $27 target price on the stock. And again, I think the price action looks stunning. Did everything you expect to do. Came back, held that moving average, bounced back off it. Looks absolutely excellent. As does corporate travel. And again, there's a short-term chart of corporate travel, and come down, really starting to move up. And I think certainly that $19 is realistic as a target price. You see it a little bit better here on the longer term chart. Bang, there it's got this, it is our weekly chart we're looking at, so it's not a pure buy signal, but again, you'd really expect it to go through there like it did here countless times before and get a move on with it. I've got a funny feeling just the way this is moving, this could go a lot higher than 19, maybe even 20, even higher. It looks very, very, very bullish, corporate travel. Certainly like the look of the chart. And yeah, good to see all the the trending stocks coming back, and obviously the gold stocks. When you trend gold, you trend the stock, but you got to trend a lot of stuff. And good to see, well, not good to see, but obviously the market's getting a bit worried about inflation next year, and gold's starting to move up as a result. So I think certainly Evolution, Northern Star, again, they've been great performers for us over the past. Stocks we've done really, really well, and I think we'll do well on them again. Although we sort of had to hold them this time a little bit longer than normal, I think at the end of the day, I think we're going to make some good money again out of gold. The banks, had a little bit of a quieter day for the banks, but certainly if you look at them on these charts, I think they just absolutely look absolutely stunning. So I think the trend's still on with the banks, truly, and again, look at that trend on ANZ. Why wouldn't you buy that? And good to see ALQ up 4%, and Domino's starting to move again, and Hansen. We love Hansen. The money we've made on Hansen is ridiculous over the last 2 years, but again, just doing that on us, coming back, holding that moving average, starting to move up again. So I think those trending stocks are looking, generally speaking, pretty superb. And good to see, we put the weekly buy and sell signals out. Again, we put these out on Sunday evening, and I had 4 stocks that had a the market was up, so you would expect these stocks to do well. The market's been up. The market's about to close. It's up about 0.86%. But good to see, obviously, these stocks that had classic buy signals outperforming by more or less, generally speaking, twice what the market did. And JBH looks like a great little trend, and went through that buy signal absolutely beautifully today. As did SDF. Again, just broke for that buy signal absolutely perfectly. As did West Farmers as well. Just wait. It's trading a bit. Yeah, I had that sort of buy signal. It is trading a little bit for me sideways at the moment, but that's fine. 42.51 to 44, nice $2. I think could be quite an easy little trend. And Woolworths again, absolutely fantastic little bicycle, jumped straight for it really quickly. And I think at one stage Woolworths was up about 3.5%, which was obviously helped by selling some of its petrol assets earlier today. And again, the bullish stocks, the stocks that we said were bullish, generally speaking, have done really, really well. Obviously, standout sort of performers was obviously Technology One. This is one of our favourite trending stocks. Now, if you like Technology One, I think it looks even better now. Sort of jumped up through that sort of shorter term moving average. I think it looks even more and more bullish. That's all I've got to really say tonight on Equity Story. Just having a look at the trending stocks and how some of those weekly buy and sell signals have done. Tomorrow we'll have a look at the 3-year growth stories. We'll look at some of the 10 baggers, ones that could be really interesting for next year. And hope you have a continued enjoyable break and keep enjoying the holidays. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to Equity Story, and good night.